Before we begin, I want to respectfully announce that Carol Baer, I think that's how you say her name, I'm not positive. I never said it out loud, but I sure knew it when I saw it. She was a loved member of the Fritzy family. Actually, a lot more than that. She was a member of the mature beauty community, and she has gone home to be with the Lord. You know that we don't always know why somebody has stopped commenting in the comment section of our videos. We don't know if you're just busy, needing a break, sick, or in this case have gone home to be with the Lord. Carol has been a part of our little group since September 2019. She joined the Fritzy family after she saw the collaboration that was done between me and Melissa of the channel Mrs. Melissa M. She also dearly loved Mary Ellen after 60, and with her fun-loving, gentle soul, I'm sure many of you. I only recently learned that she passed away back in October, shortly after I lost Daddy and Mel. And so these words are her last words to me. As you can see, I am comforted knowing that I'll see her again one day. Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about my 6 favorite foundations for mature, normal to dry skin. I love these, especially in the winter time, and we're going to have 2 that I consider to be high-end, 2 that I consider to be mid-range, and 2 that you can buy at the drugstore. All of the foundations that I love are usually a light to medium, so I'm not really a full coverage kind of girl. I like a light foundation that can be built up, and I like them all to be where I can powder them. If you like a more dewy, luminous look, then don't powder. But all of these perform well for me with a powder. The first one is in the wrong bottle. I've talked to you about this before and why it's in this little Amazon bottle. It is the Lancome Absolute Makeup. When you buy this foundation in the right bottle, you get 1 ounce and it sells for $69. This silicone-free foundation is skincare and makeup combined. It's billed as a foundation for all skin types, but as stated, I'm a fan because I find that it helps my skin look more dewy and radiant even when it's a bit dry. There is licorice root extract to help lighten discolorations over time. It has a patented mix of wild yam and sea algae extract, as well as vitamin E and the all-important glycerin for hydration. Now, it does have an SPF of 18, which I'm not a big fan of, but I don't have problems with it. My shade in this is Absolute Pearl. Of all of the ones that I'm going to show you today, this one is probably my favorite, especially because it's winter time. And this just really, I think, is kind to a mature woman's wrinkles, and you know, it just feels good, looks natural. If you're interested, I do have a video that shows the wear time on this foundation. All of the Lancome foundations are in that one, and I did a wear test all day on each of them. So next is probably no surprise because many mature ladies love Armani's Luminous Silk. Actually, a lot of youngsters like this foundation too. This one is probably the most like skin, whereas all the rest of them really do have a radiant, dewy finish. This actually looks like your skin once you get it on. This foundation is a multi-award winning, and when I say that, I'm not saying it lightly. I mean everything from Allure Best of Beauty to Good Housekeeping. And they say that it's silky, lightweight in texture and delivers a medium buildable coverage, and that it has a satin glow for a natural skin finish. And that's true, but I say it's more light to medium coverage. So if you're looking for a foundation that looks like your skin but better, then this could be your go-to. It's oil-free and it wins the hearts of everyone from homemaker to red carpet celebrity. Truly, when I don't want anyone to notice that I have on a foundation, this is the one I pull out. This one also gives you 1 fluid ounce and is slightly cheaper than the Lancome at $64. My shade is 3.75. Going into mid-range foundations now, I'm not sure if I've ever even used this on my channel, like in a video before. But this one here, the number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Serum Foundation is lovely. This is a serum foundation, a triple serum foundation according to number 7. It contains light reflecting particles to help reduce the look of lines and wrinkles and leaves the skin with a healthy radiant glow. It wears well on me throughout the day. I don't like the SPF 15 in it, but you might remember I'm one of those people that doesn't want SPF in their foundation. One big strike about this one, though, is that it is hard to find. I don't really understand that either because this is a great foundation. I hope it's not being discontinued. This frosted glass bottle, I think, is reminiscent of a more higher end foundation, and it looks like it on your skin as well. This is a really good one. At $24 an ounce, this is lovely. If you've never tried this, I think that you would love it. It is a little bit thicker, more fuller coverage than either of the other two I just showed you, but when applied with a damp sponge, which is how I usually put this stuff on, it looks like a high-end foundation at only $24. My shade in this is Cool Vanilla. The second one is probably the one that I've been wearing the most lately. Ever since I got it, I keep wearing this thing over and over again. It's just, I love it. It goes good with everything. That's the Bounce Skin Tint. This one's great for all those who are particular about a foundation being vegan. It's also gluten and cruelty-free. I personally consider this one to be a skincare kind of foundation also because it contains niacinamide and willow bark and helps to brighten the skin over time. It also helps with reducing inflammation and the look of pores and blemishes. I'm wearing this one today, and I have 4 blemishes that I didn't do anything extra to conceal. It contains hyaluronic acid to control and retain moisture and can easily go from a super sheer tint to a medium coverage foundation. I've been really surprised by this because the word skin tint makes me think that, it's something, like a little bit of tint and a moisturizer. This is a dropper and a very liquidy foundation. I think this is not a tint. I'm not really sure why they're calling it that. I really like the way it feels on my skin. It doesn't feel like there's anything there at all. And I have this in shade Light 3 or 3 Light. Again, 1 ounce, slightly more than the Boots 7 at $29. We might as well just say $30. Coming down to $19.99, which I think is a little bit high for the drugstore. We have the L'Oreal True Match Nude. This is a tinted serum foundation that contains 1% hyaluronic acid and through luminous mineral pigments instantly brightens and evens out your skin, making it look well hydrated. It's another foundation that can go from sheer to medium coverage without making you feel like you have a foundation on. The results of this foundation closely match the Bounce one I just told you about. I like True Match too. I just have to tell you, I like True Match. Actually, I think there's only one foundation from L'Oreal that I don't like. Well, it's the one that has the burgundy cap. That one doesn't look so hot on me, maybe because it's more full coverage, I don't know. But this also has a dropper, very liquidy, and it looks about the same as this does on my skin. It's almost even the same shade. But this is just beautiful. I have it in the shade 0.5, very pale, which surprised me because I thought I would take it in ivory. You might want to go down 1 shade if you buy this one. I think the bottle is kind of break proof. I don't know. I've dropped it on the floor a few times. It hasn't broke yet. Love this foundation. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And the last one I have to show you is by Flower Beauty. It's the Get Real Serum Foundation. Like the Beautyblender Bounce Tint Foundation, this foundation is also vegan and cruelty-free. And while it is also a serum foundation, it contains a couple of surprising ingredients to make this light to medium coverage foundation brighten and illuminate your skin. It uses lavender flower water and olive oil to provide that smooth, radiant, natural finish. So keep that in mind if either of those ingredients bother you. It has a pump, and at $14.99 for 1 ounce, this is the cheapest foundation that I have here. And if your skin is feeling kind of crusty, dry, this stuff feels really good on your skin. This is billed as medium coverage, but I think it's pretty light. For me, I definitely need to powder this, but I think that this looks really good with my powder. And that's what I'm going for, because I am a powder girl. So that's why I like these more luminous foundations, is because with my skin getting a little bit drier in the winter, I can still wear my powders with all of these. Tell me below, have you used any of these? Do you agree with me? What works for you that I may not have mentioned that other ladies may like to read about? Put that below. If you guys don't know it, you're the best part of the Fritzy family. And if you're not having a blessed day, just go be a blessing to somebody else. And until next time, love you, see ya. Bye. And I'm out.
Good for mature skin. There's that stupid pen. I've been looking for you all dang day. And there you are, just right in front of me. I'm sorry. This is just beautiful, and I wear it in Shy Guy is not home from work yet. I'm making up a song about my guy. Yeah. That reminds me of my boyfriend's back and you're gonna be in trouble. Hey la, my boyfriend's back. When Shy Guy comes, you better beat it on the double. I'll sing that to him when he gets home. And the next one is Easy Breezy. No, I don't have any CoverGirl in here. Nope, I don't. You can't say Easy Breezy. Maybe she's born with it? No, that's Maybelline. I don't know, L'Oreal. What's your thing? What is your deal? Other than trying to buy companies so that you can take over their products and say they're yours like they're your idea. Always know in your heart, in your mind, in your soul, whatever, I'm going to sing Daryl Hall and John Oates. No, you're not. You're not going to do that, are you? Sarah, smile. I don't know why I would sing that. Because I love more than Sarah's and I want more than Sarah to smile.